Hey, Dr. Wright.
Hey, Ashley.
Making weight is something that is in basically every sport. How do you encourage athletes to make weight and still maintain integrity while doing that?
Yeah, well, I mean, obviously, like things like, boxing or fighting or UFC is going to be a lot more stringent than
Mm,
other sports. I don't think you have to worry too much in football, right? But in general, that's a difficult process, and that's a gradual process for people to get better and better and better at figuring out. But if it's specific to their sport, then it's going to become primary. If it's less specific, a sport like football where it's important but not always immediately necessary, then it's a more gradual process. But really, it's about creating the set point, where your system takes care of itself more or less. I mean, obviously cutting weight is another issue for UFC and so on,
mm.
but that set point, that's going to be determined largely through your habits and your routines on a daily, weekly, monthly basis.